Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Vapor pressure of water at 293 Kelvin is 17.535 mmHg. Calculate the vapor pressure of water at 293 Kelvin when 25 gram of glucose is dissolved in 450 gram of water. Read the question and understand the context properly. See here, what is a solvent? Solvent is water. And what is the solute? Glucose. And what is the specialty of glucose? Glucose is a non-volatile solute. So a non-volatile solute is added to water solvent, right? So definitely vapor pressure reduces. So it's a question of relative lowering of vapor pressure. And what is the equation? We know the equation as PA standard minus PA by PA standard is equal to chi B. What is PA standard? PA standard means it is the vapor pressure of pure solvent. Here it is water. So what is the value? 17.535 mmHg, right? And what we have to find? We have to find the vapor pressure of the solution when glucose is added to water. Okay, so we have to find PA. Correct, right? Now they have given the mass of water. They have given the mass of solute. So you can easily find the RHS part. So the only unknown will be PA. We can simplify the equation and we will be directly getting the answer. Okay, PA standard by PA standard minus PA by PA standard is equal to, what is chi B? NB by NA plus NB, correct? Now we can write like 1 minus PA by PA standard is equal to NB by NA plus NB, correct? On denominator we have NA plus NB, and we know the mass of the solvent will be always greater than mass of the solute. And for mathematical easiness, we are ignoring the number of moles of solute in the denominator. That is for mathematical easiness, okay? Now what is NB? NB means number of moles of solute, which is equal to mass of solute by molar mass of solute, right? WB by MB. Now what is NA? Number of moles of solvent. That is mass of solvent, WA by molar mass of solvent, that is WA. Substitute the what is NB? NB means number of moles of solute is what? Mass of solute by molar mass of solute, WB by MB. And what is Na? Na means number of moles of solvent, that is equal to mass of solvent by molar mass of solvent. Okay, substitute that in the main equation. This is our main equation, right? Now substitute the values. Okay, 1 minus PA we have to find. What is PA standard? PA standard is 17.535. That is equal to NB. What is NB? WB. NB is equal to WB by MB. Now by NA, right? So what is NA? NA is WA by MA. Okay. Regarding RHS, we know all the values. See WB. What is the mass of glucose given? 25 gram. MA. Molar mass of solvent. Solvent is what? Water, right? And I already found the molar mass of water here, and you know how to find it from the formula H2O, that is 18. So Ma is 18. MB, okay, by MB. MB is what? Molar mass of glucose, C6H12O6. You know how to find the molar mass, right? 180. Now WA is given in the question. What is the mass of water? 450 gram. Substitute all the values. 1 minus PA by 17.535 is equal to WB is 25 into 18 by 180 into 450. Now what is the only unknown? That is PA. That you have to find by solving this, okay? Solving this equation. Everybody know how to solve this, right? So just solve this. You'll be getting the final equation like 17.437 mmHg. Hope you understand.